Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's Keira, and somewhere around is Harry, and it's their very first week, and they've settled in really quickly. That's Mona, she's on her second week, and they've all become friends. We're all playing together. There's Fergus walking past, and there's Harry. If Fergus were to catch Harry, he would send him flying. And he doesn't actually mind if Harry plays with his tail. It's not the same with Frodo. Frodo takes time. He will come around to it, but it's just a new smell, and this doesn't help. Now the cat under the blanket is Mona. For those of you that have just joined, Harry, Keira and Mona are all blind. Frodo is also blind. That's Keira coming out. And Harry loves jumping. And if you can hear a noise in the background, that's Mona and her squeezy toy. That's Dipper on the left. Dipper's nearly blind. He's got a bit of sight in one eye, but it's getting worse. Mona hasn't played with that toy all week. And this is Keira. So I hope you've all enjoyed this latest video from Blind Cat Life with Friends. And as always, see you all again soon.